This is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install apps from unknown sources or whatnot on your Android phone. So you can see I have this section under here under app info on my Motorola phone running I think Android 14. So just swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down under here and go to where it says app. Now go to all apps. And you have to decide which app you're trying to install things. So usually it's probably going to be your internet browser, or it could be like a third-party store or something like that. Just find the application you want to install. So it could be like Google Chrome here, for example. And then go down to permissions. And you can give it permission in here for whatever you want to do, but I believe it's all the way at the bottom actually. Install unknown apps. Right here, just make sure this is checkmark. And then your phone won't give you a pop-up every time you're trying to install something from an unknown source, like an APK or something like that. So just do that under your internet browser or any kind of store that you're using, and then you should be able to install apps from unknown locations. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.